Hi again, and welcome back to the Inner Advantage. 31 days to think like a CEO. Every outcome you have in your business is downstream of a belief. That means your systems, your sales, your visibility, your leadership are all quietly shaped by beliefs that you're operating from. The scary part, though, is that most of those beliefs are running in the background, and they run in the background completely unchallenged. But there is one belief, one powerful mind shift that can accelerate every result that you want. And that belief is, this is working because of me. This is working because of me. That's it. And it's working because I got lucky. It's working, but I probably won't be able to keep this up. Or it's not working because someone helped me. It's working because of me. Because of how I showed up. Because of what I created. Because of how I led. Because of what I committed to. It's working because of me builds ownership, confidence, and importantly, repeatability. So try this. Look at something that's going well in your business right now, big or small, and ask yourself, what belief helped me create this? And what would I need to believe to double the result it's achieving? Then take one step to reinforce the new belief, write it, speak it, and act on it. And then watch what happens. Okay, your actionable step for today. Pick one result that you're proud of. Name the belief behind it. Now strengthen it by acknowledging the fact that you made it happen. And also in the comments, what's one belief that's helped you grow this year? Share it, because you never know, it might spark something powerful for someone else. And remember, these tips only work if you work them. So take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Because trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and you lead with clarity, courage and conviction, because the strongest part of your business should always be you.